Since friction is both useful and harmful to us, it is important to understand how can we increase or reduce friction depending on our needs. As we all know that friction is an evil, but at certain places we want more friction to take place, like in cars, shoes, and holding something. Ways of increasing friction. Friction can be increased by increasing the roughness of the surfaces in contact. For example, first, grooves are made in the soles of shoes to increase friction and prevent slipping. Second, treads are made in the tires of vehicles to increase friction and prevent skidding of vehicles on wet roads. Third, spikes are provided in the shoes of players and athletes to increase friction and prevent slipping. Fourth is, in gymnastics, a person applies chalk to his hands to increase friction for better grip. Fifth, kabaddi players rub their hands with dry soil to increase friction and get a better grip against their fellow challengers. Sixth, in many machines, belts are used to drive wheels for running the machines. Greater friction is required between the belts and machine wheels so that the belts can drive machine wheels properly without slipping off the wheels. Friction causes a lot of wear and tear in machine parts that move against each other. It erodes the surfaces and destroys their regularities. Hence, in such cases, it is desirable to reduce friction. Friction can be reduced by the following methods. First, by lubricating. The substances that reduce friction are called lubricants. By using a lubricant, for example, oil or grease, friction can be reduced. When a lubricant is applied between the moving parts of a machine, a thin layer is formed there. The lubricants fill up the irregularities of the surfaces, making them more smooth. Interlocking of irregularities is avoided to a great extent and movement becomes more smooth. Talcum powder is a dry lubricant that reduces friction. So a coin travels much faster on a powdered carom board than on an unpowdered carom board. Graphite powder is used in machines to reduce friction. Second, by polishing. When the surfaces are highly polished, the irregularities of the surfaces are covered and the surface become more smooth. Consequently, friction is greatly reduced. Third, by using ball bearings. Ball bearing is a hollow, circular device containing small metal balls that are fitted around the moving parts of a machine. It reduces the friction by converting sliding friction into rolling friction. For example, when the axle of a machine fitted with ball bearing rotates, the metal balls also roll and hence the friction is reduced. Ball bearings are used in free wheels of bicycles, the axle of cars, the shafts of motors, and many other machines to reduce friction. Fourth, by using rollers and wheels, many heavy objects are provided with small wheels to reduce friction so that they may be carried easily by pulling. Fifth, by streamlining. You already know about streamlined shape. The bodies of ships, boats, aeroplanes, automobiles are made streamlined to minimize the force of friction with the medium